Welcome to Relieve, a safe space where you can rest, heal, and restore your energy. Burnout leaves the body heavy, the mind tired, the heart damned. This practice is here to bring you back to your natural vitality, to remind you that you are more than your exhaustion, more than your tasks. You are a being of light, deserving of rest and renewal. Find a position that feels comfortable. You may sit upright with your spine long, or lie down and let the earth hold you. Rest your arms by your sides or in your lap. Let your eyes soften or close them gently. Notice your breath moving in and moving out. Each inhale brings presence. Each exhale releases weight. Set a quiet intention for this time, to rest, to restore, to remember your strength. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. If you notice tension in your scalp or brow, let it soften as you breathe out. Move your attention to your jaw and cheeks. Release any tightness. Allow your face to settle in ease. Notice your neck and shoulders, the places that often hold stress. Imagine your shoulders dropping, releasing what is no longer yours to carry. Say within, I support my body and I allow myself to let go. Bring awareness to your arms and hands. Feel the stillness there. Notice your chest and abdomen rising and falling with breath. Whisper gently to yourself, my breath restores me. Shift your attention down your back. If you sense heaviness, imagine it dissolving slowly. Now move into your hips, legs, and feet. Feel the ground supporting you. With each exhale, imagine tiredness leaving through the soles of your feet. Say within, my legs carry me, and I honor their strength. Your body is now soft and heavy, resting deeply.